If you're after an upper mid-range smartphone with a large screen, plentiful battery, and an array of lenses, the Samsung Galaxy A51 could well be the phone for you. Hey, what's up guys, it's your boy Soji Gray and welcome to the Device Hub. If this is the first time you're here on the channel, make sure to hit the subscribe button down below so that anytime a new video is released, you'll be updated instantly. The Samsung Galaxy A51 is a good looking smartphone with a large screen dominating the front and a pleasant looking prism design on the rear. While the screen is big at 6.5 inches, Samsung has kept the bezels super slim, which keeps the size down, making it easy to hold. The power and volume rocker buttons are located on the right side of the device. Also, there's a 3.5mm headphone jack on the base of the A51. It feels solid in the hand, and while it doesn't ooze the same premium feel of the latest S or Note series, it certainly doesn't come across as cheap. The 6.5-inch Full HD Plus Super AMOLED display is bright and colorful, something Samsung screens have long been known for. On the top side of the screen, you'll find a tiny camera cutout, which looks pretty sleek. Also, you'll find a fingerprint sensor embedded in the display, plus there's an option for facial recognition as well. On the front, you get a whopping 32 megapixel camera, while at the back, the 4 cameras housed in a large black camera bump. The main camera is a 48 megapixel lens, then you'll find a 12 megapixel ultra wide lens, a 5 megapixel macro sensor, and a 5 megapixel depth sensor. This gives the Galaxy A51 great flexibility when it comes to photography, with the option of wide angle shots, detailed close-ups, and blurry backgrounds. There's a 4000 mAh battery packed into the Galaxy A51, which is pretty sizable for a device in this price range. Coupled with software optimizations in the AMOLED screen, this battery will definitely last long before running out of juice. The Samsung Galaxy A51 packs an octa-core processor along with 4 gigs of RAM. This provides enough power to keep your device running apps and games smoothly. There's also 64 gigs or 128 gigs of internal storage and a micro SD slot supporting cards up to a whopping 512 gigs in size. Ultimately, you shouldn't run out of space easily on this device. Conclusively, the Samsung Galaxy A51 appears to get the mix right when it comes to features versus price point. It's a smartphone you should definitely check out in 2020. So thanks for watching this episode of the Device Hub. If you're new here, make sure to hit the subscribe button down below so that anytime a new video is released, you'll be updated instantly. Thanks for watching and stay blessed.